Asuntossa kehittyy Varkauden yhdistely, Laivalinnankatu 18, Varkaus, staircase A, staircase BS. We are born elevator. Locks are really noisy. In 1970 by Kone and Modernized. In 2004 by Suomen Hissiurakointi. It's 18349. Fourth floor. I have heard that Suomen Hissiurakointi is really common here in Varkaus, unfortunately. Offers 320 kilograms. Cap is still original, doors fortunately. Motor is also original. This was VF modernization. Inspected by inspector, maintained by Suomen Hissiurakointi. Fourth floor. Classic sound. This good elevator for generic. Logic is unreliable as always in generics. That's